Hi, boys and girls. Let's get started with our reading. I want you to repeat the sound back to me. Ready? Here we go. Ang, eh, k, eh, s, ing, ong, sh, ang, ing, j, w, ing, d, k, unk, ch, ing, ang. All right, boys and girls, let's look at our diagraphs. This week, remember, we're working on digraphs and blends. Digraphs are two letters that work together to make one sound. And blends are two letters next to each other where each of them say their own sound and we blend them together. Okay. W-H, whistle, wah. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, thumb, th. C-K, sock. All right, let's look at some words. Now, these words aren't real words. They're made up nonsense words. And I want you to practice reading them. We'll read them together now, and then later you'll seesaw them to me. Okay? I've underlined the digraphs already, so you can see where they are in words. Remember, when there's one line under them, that means one sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Ch, et, chet. Af, naff. Sh, odd, shod. Ish, pish. K, ch, ock, chalk. Eck, feck. Ch, up, chop. Sh, eck, shack. G, f, geth. All right, good job, boys and girls. Let's look at our reading for today. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to listen to me read the sled. Then I want you to read it on your own. Ready? The sled. Frank and Fran got a grand gift from Mom and Dad. It was a red sled with one small bell. Frank said, "How will we have fun with our sled?" Fran says, "We can drag it to the top of the hill." They bring a sled up the hill. There is a tall drift on top of the hill. The sled is swift and the pals have fun. Frank is glad to have such a sled. He will drag the sled to the top of the hill. The sled will go fast on the slick track. Frank had a blast as he went fast on the track. He got to the end of the track. He did slam into a clod. The sled did fly into the sky. It was a blast. All right, I want you to press pause and I want you to read the sled. After you're done reading the sled, go ahead and press play to continue. All right, boys and girls, I want you to find this page in your packet. Today what you're going to do is you're going to read your passage and see where there are missing words. Every time you hit a missing word, you're going to use one of the words from over on the side here and put it in. So let's see if we can't do the first one together. The sled. Frank and Fran got a blank gift from Mom and Dad. What kind of gift did they get? Was it a swift gift? No, that wouldn't make sense. How about a slick gift? No, that wouldn't make sense either. Oh, they got a grand gift. Find the word grand and go ahead and write it on the line. Now I want you to press pause and I want you to try to fill in all of the missing words. Do exactly what I did. Read the sentence with the blank. Then try different words in the blank until you find the right one. After you use a word, cross it off because you won't use it again. When you're done, put this work back in your reading folder. And then, remember, you will seesaw to me the words that you practiced reading today. Great job, boys and girls.